Today I wanted to quickly talk about and show you a difference between hangnail and torn skin. They often get confused, just like cuticle and proximal nail fold, and the nail plate and nail bed. And I will also show you how I deal with them if my clients have them. Torn skin is a piece of skin that is torn and it can bleed. It is usually caused by basically not caring for the skin around the nails properly, or because of cutting it, again because it's a living skin. A hangnail is a sharp piece that sometimes can be only felt, or it sticks out exactly from the area where the nail and the lateral nail fold joins. The hangnail I like to gently approach with electric file, and gently is a keyword. I find a gentle pass with a bit like this prevents them from happening. As you can see here, the electric file is used here for precision and not speed. I actually use it on the low speed. Obviously, if you don't have electric file, you can use the side of a nail file to smooth that area. Torn skin, on the other hand, I only trim if it's not bleeding, obviously, and if it's not an open cut. If it's bleeding, then unfortunately I cannot treat a nail that's bleeding. And I only trim the portion that sticks out, so there is less chance of that skin getting caught and creating more damage. The solution for especially the torn skin is a prevention, keeping with regular gentle manicures, and very importantly, avoiding exposure to harsh detergents, irritation of that area, avoiding trauma caused by picking or biting, and using emollient creams that contain urea, that's my favorite, at night, and drop of oil or cream, a lighter lotion after each hand washing. And in the description box, if you are interested, I will link the full videos that are shown here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Let's see here. There's a cuticle, you can see. And there's proximal nail fold. So I'm using side of this little stick. I'm not shoving the pointy part under the skin. Just nudging it. But if you're not comfortable using these, it's better to underdo it than overdo it. That's such a word. I'm just going to snip this a little bit.